Hey, I'm glad you're here. I'm having a hand-delivered meal today. I love to eat street food, partially because it just makes me feel like a kid eating out of my hands. But the other part about it is, man, small bites are great. You can eat a lot of them and not feel so bad. So just chopping down a rotisserie to size right now for our chicken stuffed potato puffs. And I used a store-bought rotisserie chicken. It's a great buy. Look, I'll roast a chicken to carve it up in front of my friends on my own, but I'm not going to roast a chicken to tear it up into a chicken stuffed potato puff. So go ahead and make that shortcut if you like at the grocery store. And in my bowl is just some green bell pepper and red bell pepper chopped down to size as well to go inside, along with some Mexican oregano here. I really love oregano, flavorful, yummy, tastes like pizza, and that's where you know it from. A little bit of pepper and some salt. And that's it. That's the filling for our chicken stuffed potato puffs. Let's give it a nice little toss here. And that's it, good to go. All right, what I want to do is start working on the potatoes. Remember, we baked these in a 375 oven, pricked them a little bit. About 15 minutes is all it took for them to get perfect to go. And all I did was just take the peel off of them. And what I'm going to do now is just start building up the flavor and the binding agent, which is the egg I just cracked in there. And I also have a little egg wash started right here, ready to go. Just 2 eggs that I went ahead and whisked together with my fork there and got it ready for the dredge party. All right, now the cornstarch goes down, about a tablespoon in. This helps hold it together as well. Always have cornstarch in my pantry because I love to blend it with flour when I do my dredge for frying chicken. So a great addition here, serves a great purpose of holding it all together. And then some garlic powder and a little bit of chili powder as well. What I like to do is add a little bit of flavor and season and color at the same time by way of our butter and sazon mixture. Remember, we brushed this over the top of our empanadas, and this is exactly what's going to go inside the potato as well. What I want to do is just go ahead and mash them up now and get it ready to go. All right, what I did right now is just made a little small ball, a little bit smaller than a golf ball, and a little indentation right here in the center. And what you want to do is kind of get some of your chicken filling, put it in the side, and then put this to the side and make another identical half. And that is what's gonna make our complete ball here. We've got 2 halves, you put them together, and what I like to do is just kind of, like a hamburger patty, flatten the edges, make sure it's all together, and then roll it up back into a ball. There we go. I'm just gonna get it into my egg wash here. Remember, just some egg, and then our potato flakes. Now, these are real potatoes that were made into mashed potatoes, and then what they do is they dehydrate them and flatten them out and then flake them up for you. So it's not that big of a deal. I really never use them to make mashed potatoes. I just love them as a coating for things I fry. Nice and crispy. I've got my oil at 375 degrees. Just put it right in there. About 45 seconds to a minute is all it takes for it to cook. Really, you just want to get that golden brown color for a crunchy, sturdy shell. And I get chicken, potatoes, and veggies in one utensil-free bite.